So hello everyone, today I decided to take apart my Zotac GTX 1070 1070 Ti, which I was using for mining cryptocurrency for almost 3 years. And yeah, as I said, today I decided to take it apart and refresh a thermopaste, as well as clean it up a little bit, because the thing got quite dirty eventually. First of all, to take it apart, you need to remove the cover. It's held here by 1, 2, 3 and 4 little screws, so you just take them out. And once you remove the screws, you can just lift the cover out of its place. Now, there are 2 wires here. One goes to the fans, and another one goes to the LED here. To remove the LED, one screw here, and you can slide the LED out of a place and remove it from the cover. And for fans, the small connector is just here on the side. So now you remove the cover, and since my fans started making strange sounds, I decided to remove the motors as well to refresh the grease there. So each motor is held by 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. So you just unscrew them and take the motors out. Flip it over, disconnect the power wire. Here it is. To take apart the motor, there is no screws which holds it together. You just slide a piece of plastic into the opening here and just force it open from different sides. Here you go. There is another screw here which holds the wires in place. So in order to take the whole thing out, you need to untighten that one as well. And then you can take all the wires out. That's a second motor. And now once the motor and the rotor are both cleaned and nice, you just put the thing back together and press into place. So now we have both motors nice and clean, and we can put them back now. So basically just slide it back in, align it to the place. So now we're finished with putting the fans back. We need to realign all the wires back here inside. This screw goes back into the place as well. And and connect to connectors. Alright, so now this part is done and we can put it aside. Now the card itself. So in order to remove a heatsink, it's just 5 screws on that side, these ones, and the whole heatsink is going to come off. It is quite a massive heatsink actually, with copper pipes, and you just force it open. Here you go. As you can see, they were quite generous on the thermopaste, and it's quite old as well. So by now I cleaned the graphic card and removed the old thermopaste from a radiator, as well as cleaned over radiator itself. I've removed thermopaste from here, as well as just wiped the card clean. If somebody would like to remove a back plate, you can easily do it by removing just these screws here, and few on that side as well, and then just crack it open. So now let's apply a new thermopaste and put it back together. And to put it back together, you just align the holes for the screws with openings and push the card together. There are thermal pads here which should go onto a place as well. And basically, if you align the screw positions with openings, it should do the job. And now put the screws back. Do not So here it is. Now basically you just, the only thing you need to do is to put the cover back onto the place. It's the same way as we took it apart. This wire goes onto that socket here, which after you just untighten this screw, put the LED back in, tighten the screw, and you just put a cover on top, putting back these 4 screws into the radiators here, 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 and here. And that's it. So the card is now cleaned and ready to go, hopefully for another few years. Good day to you.